Something's unfolding in this video, and it's not a story, it's the Pixel Fold. What's up, internet? I'm Brian MacDuff, aka BMAC, and welcome to another video. And if you like videos about tech reviews, product unboxings, or filmmaking and photography tutorials, make sure you smash that subscribe button with all notifications turned on so that you never miss another video on this channel. So yes, indeed, today is a very exciting day because we do have the Pixel Fold in front of us. I still can't believe this is real. And we are going to proceed to do what we usually do on this channel, and unbox this baby. But first things first, we need to give a huge thank you and a shout out to Google for actually sending over this Pixel Fold for me to be able to check out. So Google, thank you for the gift from Google. I appreciate you. And with that having been said, it's time to unbox. Quick look at the box, you can see what the Pixel Fold looks like when it is folded, of course with the Google logo and Pixel Fold on the front. On the side, Pixel Fold. On the top, Google logo. On the other side, Google. On the bottom, IMEI, serial number information, and of course on the back, hashtag Team Pixel, baby. But I know you don't care about the box, you care about what's in it. And here we go. One, two, and now we're good. We shall flip this baby over. The moment we've been waiting for, the unveiling of the Pixel Fold in the Obsidian color. Whew. Deep breath, contain yourself. Okay. We shall take this, put it to the side. Woo, feels good, but we'll get to the rest of that in just a second. We do have some information here immediately upon unboxing the Pixel Fold, some information about some screen care right here. Basically just warning you that foldable screens are a little bit softer than your typical smartphone screen, so be extra careful to avoid sand, debris, fingernails, other sharp objects. But underneath this, that's done. We shall see right here a little packet of information. Take care of that. The first packet of information, upon opening this up, you are gonna see your SIM card ejection/removal tool. Pretty self-explanatory. Also underneath that, included with this little packet of information is some additional safety, warranty, and regulatory information. That's gonna be some nice reading on a Friday night. And you could do the same if you so choose to do so. Underneath that, you are going to see your USB-C to USB-C cord here. We will quickly undo that. This appears to be about a 3-foot USB-C to USB-C cord, and you also do have included your USB-A to USB-C converter / adapter. USB-A to USB-C converter, 3-foot USB-C cord. Now for the star of the show. Here we go. We shall hold it in our hands. Ooh! There's the back. But of course now, the uncellophaning of the cellophane. Well, that's one way to do it. Oh, that matte black back. That's just the back of the Pixel Fold, and I'm already in love. Oh my goodness, my heart, what's my heart rate at? 99 right now currently on the Pixel Watch. We shall take this out, flip it over, whoop! There's the front screen of the Pixel Fold. That looks amazing, very sharp, just looking at the outside of it right here. I love the Obsidian black color with these nice little shiny accented sides. Front-facing camera right there, of course. But now, let's do what we've been waiting to do. Let's actually unfold the Pixel Fold. And there we go! There it is! The Pixel Fold, oh my goodness. Just when you think you can't fall in love with a Pixel device anymore, you can. But of course, we gotta turn this baby on. Google, powered by Android, and I believe, yes indeed, you do indeed have the ability to set up your Pixel from the inside display. But here's the thing, I'm not gonna walk you through the entire setup process. I'm gonna snap my fingers, it's all gonna be done for you. It's done. The Pixel Fold set up and being used for the first time. Oh my goodness. But this is what it looks like when you have the main display of the Pixel Fold. And of course, if you wanted to close it one-handed, I always just find that crease in the middle with my thumb. Whoa, don't drop it. And then you could just close it on up, and then we have access to the front display right here, which upon unlocking, and then you could use this front display kind of like you would just your typical Pixel device right here. But one thing I personally love is the ability to go from the front display to the main display seamlessly. So if you need a little bit more screen real estate, you could do that simply just by opening up the Fold, by unfolding the Fold. But that is your first look at the Google Pixel Fold. Wow. It's even prettier in person, I gotta be honest. I'm very excited to put this smartphone to the test. It is Google's first attempt at a foldable device. So far, just by looking at it, it seems to be pretty solid and very beautifully designed and built. But of course, we're gonna have to put it to the test over the next days, next couple of weeks, and I will come to a conclusion. So of course, if you are not yet already doing so, make sure you subscribe right here on YouTube so that you get that Pixel Fold review video as soon as it drops. And of course, if you guys wanna stay up to date on the latest Pixel Fold deals and prices, you can of course always head to my affiliate link, bmac.link/pixelfold, or of course there will always be a clickable link in the video description box below as well, so check that out. And with that having been said, my goodness, I've got a lot of work to do. What do I do first? There's so many things, so many activities I could do with this thing. I'm gonna have to go decide, but for right now, I might just sit here and stare at this thing and marvel at its beauty. That's a good place to start. I will see you guys in my next video.